Welcome to Dawn Divinity. This is going to work for you. Today, we are looking into something powerful and effective, something that can truly create a change in your life within just 1 hour. Many of us spend days, weeks, or even years waiting for something to shift, but what if you didn't have to wait? What if a single hour of focused effort could lead to a noticeable difference in how you feel, think, and even experience your reality? That's exactly what we're going to explore. This isn't about wishful thinking or vague promises. It's about understanding the tools already available to you and how you can use them to see results in no time. Get ready to discover a practical approach that demands your focus and commitment for just 60 minutes. We live in a fast-paced world where instant solutions are highly valued. While some things take time to materialize, there are practices and techniques that can yield swift changes when approached with intent and discipline. Often, the key lies in how you focus your thoughts and emotions. Your mind has a remarkable ability to influence the reality around you, but this potential often goes untapped. This technique isn't complicated, nor does it require any special tools. What it does demand is a willingness to dedicate an hour of undivided attention. This single hour can be the turning point where you stop feeling stuck and start noticing signs of movement in the direction you want. The beauty of this approach is that anyone can try it, regardless of where they are or what they are seeking. It's not limited to any specific group of people, it's for anyone ready to see a shift in their current circumstances. At the heart of this method is the idea that your thoughts and emotions carry energy. When you concentrate on them with clarity and purpose, they become a force that influences outcomes. Science supports the notion that focused thought has the power to change neural pathways in the brain, creating new patterns and possibilities. Beyond the physical brain, this concentration creates a ripple effect, extending beyond your internal state and interacting with the environment around you. One of the reasons this method works so quickly is that it removes the clutter of unnecessary distractions. For one focused hour, you align your mind, emotions, and energy with a single intention. This alignment creates momentum. When all aspects of your being point in the same direction, things start moving. It's not magic or coincidence, it's the natural result of concentrated effort. The process does not rely on luck or external factors. It works because it taps into something that's already within you. It's about activating a potential that often lies dormant due to scattered thoughts or lack of focus. This potential, when directed intentionally, can create a powerful wave of change in just 60 minutes. The foundation of this method lies in focused attention. To create any significant shift within an hour, you must direct your energy toward a single, clear intention. This focus requires clarity about what you want to achieve. Without clarity, your efforts may scatter, and the impact diminishes. The clearer your goal, the more effective your results. This approach is straightforward. Choose one specific area or outcome you want to change, and make it the sole focus of your attention for 60 minutes. Avoid overcomplicating the process by thinking about the how. This hour isn't about analyzing or problem solving. It's about concentrating your thoughts and emotions on the result as if it is already happening. When your mind stops doubting and starts believing in the reality of your intention, a shift begins to occur. To make this method work, setting up the right conditions is crucial. Begin by finding a quiet space where you won't be disturbed for an hour. Turn off distractions such as your phone, notifications, or anything that might interrupt your focus. This time is for you, and minimizing interruptions is essential to maintain a clear and undivided mind. Before you start, take a moment to prepare mentally. Close your eyes, take a few deep breaths, and let go of any tension or concerns. This creates a neutral space within you to focus on your intention without interference from doubts or outside noise. Having a clear and calm mind amplifies your ability to channel your energy effectively toward your goal. Set a timer for exactly 1 hour. This helps you stay committed without worrying about how much time has passed. Knowing that this period is finite encourages you to give your full attention to the process. By eliminating all external and internal distractions, you create the perfect environment for this method to work at its maximum potential. The process begins with a clear, intentional focus on what you desire. Start by sitting in a comfortable position in the quiet environment you've prepared. Close your eyes and picture the outcome you want. The key is not just imagining it but truly feeling as though it has already happened. This involves engaging all your senses, see it, hear it, and most importantly, feel the emotions that come with it. Visualize with clarity and immerse yourself fully in this experience. Avoid allowing any doubts to surface during this time. Whenever your mind wanders, gently bring it back to your intention. The goal is to maintain an uninterrupted flow of thought and feeling aligned with the outcome you're focusing on. Stay consistent and engaged with the process for the entire hour, letting the emotions of success, gratitude, and fulfillment fill you completely. Emotions are the driving force behind this technique. While visualizing your desired outcome is essential, it is the emotional intensity that makes this method work effectively. When you feel deeply connected to the outcome, you amplify its energy and send a strong signal that aligns with your intention. This creates a resonance that influences the reality around you. During the hour, focus on feelings such as gratitude, joy, and satisfaction as though the outcome has already materialized. These emotions are powerful because they remove resistance and doubts, replacing them with a sense of certainty. The more genuine and intense these feelings are, the more effective the process becomes. Avoid forcing the emotions, instead, allow them to naturally arise as you focus deeply on your intention. To make this method effective, staying present throughout the hour is essential. During this time, focus solely on the desired outcome and the emotions tied to it. It is natural for distractions or doubts to arise, but the key is to gently redirect your attention without frustration. Acknowledge the distraction briefly, and then bring your mind back to the feelings of success and fulfillment. Commitment to this process for the full hour is non-negotiable. Do not cut the time short or allow yourself to lose focus midway. Consistency and dedication during this focus time amplify the energy you are directing toward your intention. Trust the process and remain fully engaged, knowing that this effort is creating the shift you want to experience. As you progress through the hour, you may start noticing subtle changes in your thoughts, emotions, or energy. These shifts might not always be immediately visible in the physical world, but they are signs that your intention is beginning to take form. Pay attention to feelings of clarity, confidence, or a sense of calm that may emerge as the hour unfolds. By the end of the session, you may feel a deeper connection to your goal, along with a renewed sense of purpose. This is an indication that the method is working and that you've successfully directed your energy toward your intention. Keep in mind that these internal changes are a precursor to external results, setting the foundation for what will manifest in your life. Once the hour is complete, it is essential to release the focus and trust the process. Letting go means not overthinking or continuously questioning whether the desired outcome will manifest. Overanalysis or constant worrying creates resistance and disrupts the flow of energy that has been set into motion during your focused session. Letting go doesn't mean forgetting your goal, instead, it means shifting your attention to the present moment with confidence that the work you have done is effective. Trust in the unseen forces at play and avoid trying to control the outcome. When you detach from the need for immediate proof, you allow the process to unfold naturally and without interference. While this method can yield noticeable results within an hour, its power increases when practiced consistently. Make it a habit to dedicate an hour whenever you seek clarity or wish to influence a specific outcome. Each session strengthens your ability to focus, deepens your emotional connection to your goals, and aligns your energy with the results you desire. Repetition also helps you develop trust in this process, reducing doubts and allowing you to approach each session with more certainty. Over time, the practice of focused intention becomes second nature, creating a ripple effect in your life that extends beyond the initial goal. This consistency builds momentum, ensuring that the positive outcomes you experience are not just temporary but enduring. Now that you have a clear understanding of the process, it's time to take action. Dedicate 1 hour of uninterrupted focus to this method. Choose a specific goal or outcome you wish to achieve, prepare your environment, and follow the steps as outlined. Remember to engage deeply with your visualization and emotions during this time, ensuring your energy is aligned with the desired result. This 1-hour challenge is a commitment to yourself. Set aside the doubts, distractions, and hesitations, and give your full attention to this process. The effort you invest during this time has the potential to bring about changes that can surprise you. Take this step today and observe the impact it can have on your life. As you complete this process, it is important to acknowledge the effort you've made and the energy you've directed toward your goal. Recognize that change begins with intention, focus, and trust in the process. The results may manifest in ways you expect or in completely unexpected forms, so remain open to possibilities. Consistency and belief in the effectiveness of this method will help you refine it further. Each time you practice, you strengthen your ability to focus and connect with your goals. Trust the power of your thoughts and emotions, and let them guide you toward the outcomes you desire. This method is simple but powerful. Commit to it, and the results will speak for themselves.